Hello friends, I hope that today will be a landmark day in your programming studies because I am putting the essence of my 20 years experience before you through this FasTrack developer program. You never find this type of program anywhere in the world, in the programming world. Because can you expect that on the day one can you develop a project? Formal project of 100 plus lines. In order to develop my first project, I took 5 weeks time, and with my 20 years of experience, I am able to enable you to do it within 5 hours. Where 5 weeks, where 5 hours, just 5 hours. You take 1 more hour extra also. Actually, 3 hours are required, but moderately, I am telling 5 hours. If you want, you take 1 more hour and you complete this first project on the day one. Don't take installment 2 3 days and all that. Then only you can enjoy the real spirit of this project. Thereafter obviously you take lesser time. Next projects and all that, maximum you can take 3 hours time. Can you expect that you can develop a project within 5 hours? That too on your own, formally, with the conceptual base. All this you understand. My mission is simple. Programming studies are easiest among all application oriented studies. I am the live example, and this is the outcome of that. I never attended any computer class in my lifetime. So I am not so intelligent as I told you. I am a just average person. So how could I develop that? You are in a better environment, you are more intelligent than me. Why can't you do that? Why you waste unnecessarily waste your time and waste your hard-earned money? Simply sit at home and work out. Already told you three such C's are required: computer, commitment, and common sense. If you have the three, simply sit at home. You never get any doubt. I am providing you everything. I am not your teacher. I am your mentor. If you get any doubt, that is an obstruction to you. What I am telling, you never get any doubt. If you have to get any doubt, then you have to make a research. That point you have to understand. Don't waste your money for a software training program. That only I want to tell you. That is my mission. And this is simplest one. You do that. One language you try. Now, whatever may be your background and how you studied and all that, just put it in a different domain, and you freshly start with our Python FasTrack program and work out the first program and complete it. I give you meticulous guidance for that. Not only Python, very soon I am providing you C and Java also. Same FasTrack developer program for C and Java. By that, what is the advantage? Same set of projects I am giving. Around 25 projects I am going to give you. First module I am offering you freely with 5 projects. Same set of projects I am giving for C and Java. What is the advantage? Just language to language difference you can easily perceive on your own. And if you take 1 hour time for a Python project, you take half an hour for Java. You can take the same half an hour for C. How lovely it is. You can master number of languages. By that, you widen the opportunities. I think that all of you watched my intro lectures. That is not a boring stuff. It is the essence of my 20 years experience. If you didn't watch them and skipped, you miss a lot. That's why you just watch it. No boring stuff. Those are the correct guidelines for every set of people I am addressing. I am so providing the solution, not just giving strategies orally. I am providing you system. You choose your employer. That is a challenging offer I am giving to you. You get that capabilities in a short span of time. Your college exam marks and all that is peanut. Is a small subset. That subset you are making as your destination. That is the biggest problem. Your college exam, don't bother. It is a small, according to me, it is 10% subset of this thing. That points you understand. And if you didn't watch my intro lectures, once again I request you, watch 1 hour, is not a big period. 1 hour you watch for all your doubts, you get the answers. That point you have to understand. And finally, now online GDB compiler. Actually, many students struggle with compilers in operation, some problem, that and this. And as far as Python is concerned, one special issue is there. There are two types of programs, script program, shell programs. For a beginner program, everything is a problem. That's why I am recommending you online GDB compiler. If you already well versed with Python compiler, also just to try. If you feel it is better, then you do that. You work on this compiler. When you want to reach a destination, then you want a right vehicle. Okay, if you don't have right vehicle, you cannot reach the destination properly in right time. That's why compiler is useful for implementation. Whatever may be your ideas, design, everything, you have to implement with ease. So GDP compiler not only support Python, it supports 25 popular languages. That's why if you take up my C and Java, then you see back and forth. Just you move. Same program you can copy and make the changes. By that you can save a lot of time. Those things you should experience. So here you have to understand that GDP compiler is highly user friendly, easy to use and organize your files, and it is a big time saver, and switching back and forth among different languages, it is very easy. As I told you, you can learn multiple languages at monthly one language. There is the open challenge. If you are able to spend 5 hours a day, then monthly one language you can complete. That's why you try that. If you are very comfortable with conventional compiler and all that, you can use it. Ideal and all that you can use. But if you want the enjoy the smartness of a GDP compiler, then use that. But all beginners and all that, I am recommending this. And for this, we are providing you a document in the description. You can find the link and strictly go through. It's a very simple thing. Document may be 3 pages, but once you start doing that, in a matter of 10 minutes, you can understand all the options. One is creating program, saving program, storing and organizing a program, compiling program, debugging program, and finally sharing program. All the options, just one time with one program, you learn all the options. Thereafter, all these projects you work out on that. And once again, I request you, the first project you never have any doubt, whatever may be the time that you take. Actually, before launching the system, I gave it to 10 people. Out of that, 8 people, without having any Python background, they finished it. The least time is 3 hours 10 minutes. The maximum time is 5.5 hours. That's why I gave you 5 hours time. But everything should be done in a time frame that I am telling you. And one thing, once you start that, first program you type, and if you complete that, complete entire 25 projects, by that you can master. And I am providing you 3 modules free. One is FasTrack developer program module that consists of 5 projects, and Python all clear first module, 5 chapters, and corresponding certification module. Also 3 modules I am providing to you, and you enroll your name. If you enroll your name only, I can provide this course freely. By that, without spending any money, you can study substantial part of the course. By that, you can know that you can enjoy the what is the easiest nature of the programming languages. Then you never look back. As I am repeating always, you can choose your employer. That point you have to understand. And before starting our program only, the compiler issue is solved. One program, if you do not know coding also, you type my program and execute all the options. That's it. Once you start your programming, thereafter, compiler should not be an obstruction. That I want to tell you. If you start your journey, your vehicle should not create any trouble. That point always you remember. Compiler is very, very important. And what I recommend you, if you are very comfortable with Python, then very shortly in January I am going to launch my FasTrack program for Java and C also. And ultimately, I want to help you. In order to help you better, please help me by way of subscription and make your comment frank. I don't want any sugar coating. You like it and share with your friends. So, by that, my mission is, as far as programming studies are concerned, I want to give the real picture, demonstrate the real picture to the student community. Hereafter, if you want programming career, don't worry about that. Whenever you think of programming studies or career, think of Ekalavya system. Ekalavya system is the right system for this. This is the I am Ekalavya. This is the outcome of this system. Thank you. All the best.